What?
His name is not Trevor, but he plays for the Jets. But he doesn't play anymore.
Chad Pennington?
What?
Chad Pennington?
I don't know.
Oh.
He doesn't.
What?
Look,
What? Oh my goodness.
he's holding the Jets.
And which other ones?
He's holding the Chargers.
Oh my goodness, this must be his favorite. Just like you.
Mommy,
You can't touch him.
Mommy, can you take it out of his hand?
Yeah,
You can just
I will, but don't touch him, okay?
do this.
Okay. Do what?
Do this.
Okay. Oh my goodness, I can't believe he got into your helmets. What did he set up?
He set up my football guy.
Oh my goodness. Where's Petey?
He set up the green over here, black over, blue over here, gray over here, and these over here, and the red over here, and the blue over there.
Okay.
I mean, you can just do this.
Okay.
Just pull it out. Just